Si mama.
I used to think I wanted to be famous, that I'd be recognized out in a crowd.
Ayun, thank you lang din kasi pinalaki niyo ako ng ganito. Yan, kahit pasaway, di ba? Na ano pa rin. And pag-support lang din do sa mga ginagawa ko. Ayun. So, thank you. Love you.
I just wanna look more like love. This whole world is spinning crazy, and I can't quite keep up. It's the one thing around here that we don't have quite enough of, so I just wanna look a little more.
Thank you din, Kuya. Kasi ikaw yung tumutulong din sa kanila. Kapag may mga kailangan din kami nila ate, ikaw yung nagsasacrifice din. Yung heart lang din niya na ano, kahit na alam natin na ipon na niya, pero ayun, na nagsasacrifice pa rin talaga siya sa amin. So, yun, gusto ko lang din talaga magpasalamat sa kuya ko kasi prepared eh. Wala, naiyak na ako. Yung kuya ko kasi na yun, sobrang nagsacrifice lang talaga.
Now I just wanna look more like love.
Thank you sa mga
I just
lahat ng
wanna
ginawa mo
look
din.
like love.
Nakabawi din kami sa'yo.
This whole world is spinning
Sa
crazy.
mga panahong hindi ka na naniniwala kung kaya mo ba, ako ang unang-unang maniniwala sa'yo. Sa mga panahong 10% lang yung kaya mong ibigay sa pagsasama natin, by the overflowing grace of God, I will give to you my 90%. I will never get tired to remind you that you are loved, you are valued, you are taken care of, and precious in the eyes of God. And syempre, sa akin na din.
Mountaintop, it's never gonna stop. And the more of anything I do, the thing that always ends up true is getting what I want will never be enough.
You cannot find me at your back para laging paunahin ka sa hamon ng buhay or in front para pangunahan ka sa mga desisyon sa buhay. But I will be at your side, walking along with you, giving to you my all-out support, cheering for you, laughing with you, and enjoying this beautiful journey that God gave to us.
Like love.
So Tom, do you take Amory to be your wife, to love her, to comfort her, honor her, and provide for her, forsaking all others and cling only to her, as long as you both shall live?
I do!
I want to thank the Lord for we are now standing here in one of our answered prayer.
I was a prisoner till you broke the door down. You freed me. Oh,
He is truly faithful to His promises according to His perfect time. And as I always say to you, thank you dahil tinapangan mo.
You found me.
I prayed to God for someone na yung kaya yung personality ko. And Tom is the gentle person. Gentle siya pero with leadership.
I was lifeless till you laid your life down.
Amory, lover, you're so beautiful today. Yes! Sobrang ganda mo. Kalma. Si Amory lang ito. Ito yung sinabi mo sa akin after ko mag-lay down dahil kabado ako sa mga nangyayari. Pero after ko marinig yon, nagkaroon ako ng peace. And ito tayo ngayon, kinakasal.
Tinapangan mo kong tanungin to have a lunch date with you. Tinapangan mo kong tanungin if you can pursue me. Tinapangan mong magtanong, pwede nang maging tayo. And most importantly, tinapangan mo kong tanungin to spend the whole lifetime with you. Glory to God for all the courage that He has given you, kaya tayo andito ngayon.
You're all that I want. You're all that I've ever needed. There's something going on me. It's overwhelming. Just a drop of your love, God. Just a glimpse of your face. And I'm not the same. I'm wide awake.
Until now and in the future, we know that we have peace that God always gives us. I am excited to start this journey and spend the rest of my life with you, together with God.
It's overwhelming.
So in the name of God, I, Amiri Candido Argonza,
Take you to be my wife,
to have and to hold
for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish.
till death do us part.
This is my solemn vow. I love you always. Love you.
Love you too.